Hello. Hello everyone.
In this video, we'll see how to pair a USB-C Apple Pencil with our iPad. I'll demonstrate on a 13-inch iPad Air M2, but the process is the same for any USB-C pencil compatible iPad. First, we'll need the USB-C Apple Pencil. Since this model lacks wireless charging and pairing, we'll need a USB-C cable to connect it. To start, lift the back of the Apple Pencil to reveal the USB-C port. Then, connect one end of the cable to the pencil and the other to the iPad's USB-C port. You'll see a welcome message for the Apple Pencil appear at the top of the screen. Once you reach this step, you're all done. The Apple Pencil's now fully paired automatically, so we can unplug it from the USB-C cable and start using it. As you can see, once it's paired, the welcome screen offers various options to try out and see how the Apple Pencil works. Well folks, that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.